Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Check Instagram Call History. Let's dive right in. Instagram itself doesn't provide a specific call history list for viewing all past calls. However, there are alternative steps you can take. Here's a guide on what you can do. To start, launch the Instagram app and ensure that you're signed in. Then, click on the messenger icon located in the top right corner. Once you're in your chats, locate the conversation with the person whose call history you wish to view. Within the chat, you'll find indicators for both incoming and outgoing calls, displaying the date and time of each call. By scrolling up in the conversation, you might uncover previous calls made with that specific contact. Keep in mind that this method applies to individual calls only, and doesn't provide a comprehensive call history. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.